Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you filed your 2021 income tax return and later discovered an error, maybe you forgot a deduction or got a corrected W-2, don't worry. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to file an amendment on your 2021 tax return using Turbotax. Follow along carefully, and you'll have everything corrected in minutes. First, head to the official Turbotax website and sign in. Make sure you have your username, password, and any two-factor verification ready. If you used the desktop version back in 2021, open that saved return file on your computer instead. Locate the search feature. Once you're inside your Turbotax dashboard, look for the search icon, usually at the top right. Click it to open the search bar. Search for amend type. The word amend in the search box. From the suggestions that appear, choose the link that says jump to amend. This shortcut takes you directly to the amendment section so you don't have to hunt through menus. Start the amendment process. You'll see a prompt like, okay, let's get a kickstart on your 2024 amended return. Don't let the year confuse you. This is just Turbotax's way of starting the process. Click Start Amendment to begin. Add or update tax forms. Next, click Adding or Updating a Tax Form. But here's where you'll enter any new or corrected information, things like updated income, a missing 1099, or deductions you forgot to claim. Enter accurate data. Turbotax will guide you through a series of questions. Have your original 2021 return and supporting documents handy so every figure you type matches your records. Accuracy is key because the IRS compares the amendment to your original return. Specify what you're amending. Finally, you'll be asked to identify the specific forms or sections you're changing. Review everything carefully. Turbotax will generate Form 1040-X, the official amendment form, along with any schedules you updated. Review, print, and file. When you're done, Turbotax will give you a complete package to review. You'll typically need to print, sign, and mail the amended return to the IRS. Since most amended federal returns can't be e-filed, remember to keep a copy for your records. And that's it. You've successfully amended your 2021 tax return in Turbotax. Catching mistakes early helps you avoid penalties and makes sure you get the refund or credit you deserve. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.